everyone, I'm gonna show you how to install Spotify as an app on PC. So to start, open any browser and search for spotify.com. Then once you're here, click the install icon at the top. So you should see a computer icon with an arrow. So if you hover over it, it says install Spotify. So click on that and confirm the action by clicking install again, and it will be installed to your laptop instantly or to your PC. Next, you can also click on install app right here. So if you click that, at the bottom, click download from Microsoft Store. So if you click that, it will be installed instantly. So click open or show in folder, right click on it, click on open, then click on install. Then just wait for it to finish installing, and that's it. Now the next method is click the three dots at the top right. So go back to the browser, click the three dots, then scroll down and go to Cast, Save, and Share. Then from the options, click Install Spotify. Then click Install once more, and that's it. And that's it. That's how you can install Spotify as an app on PC. Now, if you're using Microsoft Edge, so open Microsoft Edge and search for Spotify. Open it, so click the first link. Then click the three dots at the top right. Then go to More Tools, go to Apps, and click Install this site as an app. Then rename it and click Install once more. And that's it, super simple. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.